We always set out to create a very good experience for our customers. We also want them to have a really enjoy the ambience, and I think Color Kinetics really allows us to have that. We're very happy to partner with Signify, and I think the intent is very well achieved.
What I found specifically unique is the ability to control the variety within the tunable white as well as the tunable colors. I found the colors extremely rich. Also the ability to spread the light, so the availability of the various beam angles and the spread of light and how it diffused in space was for us really important. We tried several other fixtures, but for us that really also made the difference. The performance, the efficiency, and specifically the ability to control these rich colors that I found this light fitting can produce. So to us that's really quite a unique ability, because sometimes you have a fitting that does one but not of the other, but having the combined ability to do both the whole palette of tunable white together with the palette of RGB colors, and that combined with the dimming ability and the programming abilities, that really made it unique for us and the reason why we choose the fixture. I always have two criteria. One is what I find myself after I have completed a project, because when I design a concept, a lighting solution, I have a certain end result in mind, and then when I see it I'm like either satisfied or not satisfied. In this case I'm extremely satisfied. It really achieved what I had in mind and even more than that. The other criteria is of course how the clients and specifically the chairman reacted and the guests that have come, and that has also been amazing. Everybody has come in and said, oh wow, beautiful and all that. So overall it has been fantastic, and we have been extremely happy and privileged to be able to work with IntelliHue technology from Color Kinetics, and it was a really big joy to partner with Signify.